It's that time. It's Radioactive, or that multicolored agar. We're adding mica pigment to ours. Don't add too much. 0.25 grams per 250 milliliters will do. It can impair growth if you don't do it quite right. The solid form method. This works really good too if you have something that mycelium doesn't like to grow around, like dyes that are red and whatnot. It's a pretty popular one. That purple has red in it, and that's part of why we do it this way. We can cover it with a clear or a colored agar that's nutritious and doesn't have that food coloring in it, and the mycelium will grow over that in place of the potentially bad colors. But it gives us a chance to look at how awesome they are. We'll fast track through the cooling process. You want to do that for about 5 to 10 minutes till everything solidifies. And then we get back in here with our clear agar, and we're just going to go over it and pour a clear layer over the top like that. All the way over. Make sure you get it there. If it was too hot, it would float away or look ugly. And here's our little tie-dye look, or the radioactive as I've coined it. We're just going to pour rapidly here and pour our clear right into it. As we do it, we'll kind of swirl it around to change the pattern. You can pour it straight from the center. You can do it slower. You could take it in a syringe. There's a great deal of ways you could do it here, and we'll even show you some of them right here. Rock on! Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Let us know in the comments what we should do next and what you'd like to see as far as educational content from us. Much love and rock on!